been a little while. Hello everybody. We have taken the last week or so off from filming. We are now in Michigan. Last time we saw you, we were in the Carolinas, so we have covered some ground since then, and we just wanted to kind of fill you in on what we've been doing and what we're going to be doing for the next couple weeks.
Yeah. I guess last time we told you guys we were headed to a wedding, so we attended that, and it was beautiful watching our friends get married, but we've just been taking time editing, soaking in our last year together on the road, so that's been kind of fun, and just taking time for ourselves and putting the camera away, so I'd say that's been pretty nice.
We've bounced around almost every night for the past week through different harvest hosts and even some boondockers welcome, so we've been able to talk to some new people and just kind of meet some people in the Michigan area, which has been great. We're actually at a harvest host right now called Rose Valley Winery, and it's outside of Rose City, Michigan, very small little town here.
We want to take you guys on a little wine tasting inside. We figured it'd be something different and fun, and I'm kind of excited. I've never really had Michigan wine, so this will be new.
Let's go have a large time. Also, if you can tell, we're both wearing jackets right now, and it's been pretty chilly. It's very windy today, and I think the low tonight is in like the upper 30s. Woo! So this is by far the coolest weather we've had in the last couple months, and we are loving it.
Can you tell? This is really cute, kind of cabin feel, but right here in the back he's pumping some, I think he said raspberry wine, so he said we can kind of come back and check it out, so we're going to take you guys with us in there.
I'm trying to get my work done, but usually, you know, up to this point it's been real slow, and now it's starting to pick up, you know.
Yeah.
So this weekend will be crazy. Had a cabin on a lake not too far from here, and it's got everybody thinks Michigan, but no. So you gotta. Do you want to circle these and remember what you got, or you just remember?
Oh, yeah.
So this first one is broken oak, and then the second one is Chardonnay. Oh no, sorry. So long. Yep. And the circle that.
Yeah.
Red. Rifle River. Now, if you want to sample any more, just.
Okay, so right off the bat, you can tell why we love doing harvest hosts so much. We get to meet people like Steve and tour their business and just talk to them about what they do and how long they've been doing it and everybody's backgrounds. And it's just a great way for us to meet people on the road, because we really don't make that many friends while we're doing this, and we don't have that many interactions with people, especially at like big campgrounds and busy spots. So yeah. I think harvest hosts has been great for us.
Yeah, you definitely have to try a little bit more, I think, to make friends and meet people on the road. And I think harvest host, like you said, is better for us because it kind of makes us talk to people, so it's pretty good. And
it is lunchtime, so we're having a full flight of wine, which we didn't intend on, but
we already had 2 samples in the back.
It's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a great day.
Cheers, guys.
Okay, so we did a sample of 4. So we did their dry rosé, their Sauvignon Blanc, and their Chardonnay, which is very interesting. Never had that one before. And then a red, I guess semi-sweet. I'm one of those people that tries each one and moves down the line and then probably saves my favorite one for last. What do you usually do? You do the same?
I think I bounce around the whole time because I'm trying to figure out which one I like. So. Alright, that wine was great, and this was a fun start to the day, but it's time for us to go drive to our campground for the night. Our tanks are full. It's about an hour and 20 minutes away, and we are ready to stay put for a couple nights. So we're going to go there now, close out with Steve here at the winery. We'll see you in the car.
He secured the last spot on the water, which I'm very excited. And he also went ahead and got the Michigan State Park Pass. It's only $40, which is very reasonable, and we will be here for a month, so it just makes sense for us. We're excited for this month in Michigan.
It's only been about a week, but for whatever reason, it feels like it's been a month since we've been at a campground with bathrooms and full electricity and water and stuff like that. Honestly, it feels pretty nice. I think the Harvest Host and Boondockers is a great way to travel so fast across the country, but this is going to be kind of a reset for us, and I'm very much looking forward to it.
Okay, this spot is absolutely stunning. I am a huge lake girl, over beach girl, even though I grew up in Florida, so the water is aqua blue, and I think we're gonna just set our chairs outside and enjoy the sun.
Oh, it felt really good in the sun, but it is starting to get pretty chilly out there. The wind is picking up, and that means it's time to come inside. We're gonna make some nice warm pasta for dinner tonight. It's been sounding really good, but we've put it off until today because we knew it was gonna be colder outside. So we're gonna get that cooked, and I think it's gonna be really tasty. Definitely wasn't expecting these to be individually wrapped. See this recipe on Instagram about a week ago, and we were kind of waiting for a cold night to try it. We definitely would have made this while we were snow camping because we were making so many different warm dishes, but it feels nice to be in the cold weather again, and I'm excited to eat this dinner.
As you can see, I have some layers on, so we are very excited for a warm meal. It's pesto and creamy. What could go wrong here? So we're gonna enjoy the view out our windows, enjoy each other's company, and then pick your eyes back up in a little bit.
Yeah, there are more spots that have good views than that one. No, I think part of that was one with the sunset on like hours.
I just figured while I'm sitting here and enjoying this view, might as well clean up these dishes because they are creamy. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna make you watch the whole thing, so here's this, and there you go, all finished.
Just poured ourselves some whiskey to keep us warm. If you look all the way across this lake, that's just about big enough to be an ocean. It'd be Canada, way over there. We're gonna go enjoy the last little bit of daylight outside. We're losing it, so.
It's like we forgot how to behave in the cold weather, honestly. So we're gonna go freeze our butts off by the water because it's just too beautiful not to be out there. We'll see how long we last. Bye, have fun in the cold. Alright. Alright, I got my scarf ready to go. I can't even take myself seriously.